Hey, what's up? This is Tron Moses of Tron Moses Media, and today I want to show you how to clean your camera sensor. Hey, what's up, y'all? Now, what made me want to do this video was on both my Sony cameras. Well, I say two of my Sony cameras. I have 4 Sony cameras. On 2 of my Sony cameras, my main workhorses, my A7R III and my A7R II, I had dust on them. I had dust on the sensor. And you can only see it when you at high apertures. You can't see it when you at low apertures, but when you increase, like, say if I'm outside doing a photo shoot and most of my lenses are 1.4. If I'm shooting at 1.4, I won't see the dust on the sensors. But the higher you go with the aperture, you'll see them. Like, say if I start shooting at, let's say, f8. I start shooting at f8 and stuff, then I see it, f7 I see it, f5 I see it. But as long as I'm shooting at like 1.4, 2.0, 2.2, something like that, I don't see the specks of dust on the sensor. But when I open it and look at it, I see the specks of dust. So I got some pictures right here that I want to show. I got a picture right here I want to show y'all. And I just recently took this picture. As you can see, this picture right here is of a lake. This is unedited. Matter of fact, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brighten this picture up a little bit. You probably already could see the dust spots. Let me see. Now, just in case you can't see the dust spots yet, I'm gonna show you. I highlighted them. I highlighted what I saw. That don't mean this is the only stuff on here, but I highlighted what I saw. Now see that? Everything that I circled right there is a dust spot. There might be more, but the way my lighting is in here, I may not have circled everything. So when I shot this shot, now, if you look on my website, this photo is actually on my website soon as you come on the website. But what I had to do was, and what I have been doing for a while now, is editing out the dust spots. And let me tell you, a lot of people might be scared to touch their sensor, and I understand because I was scared at first. But I'm going to tell y'all what y'all should do right now. The first thing you want to do is, well, you want to get some products. You want to get them from Amazon. Let me show you what you need to get from Amazon. You need to get this sensor cleaning kit. All right. It's a full frame sensor cleaning kit. And why it's full frame is because this thing would be, the brushes would be too wide, the swab would be too wide to clean a crop sensor camera. So if you're going to clean a crop sensor frame, you need a crop sensor kit. Understand? And the other thing you need this blower. It's a rocket blower. And I'm going to show you the prices of this stuff. I'm going to pull that up. Anyway, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go through. Now, I'm assuming you have a Sony. All right. I'm gonna assume you have a Sony. First thing you want to do, if you got a Sony, let me see. You got to go to the suitcase and you go to cleaning mode. You click on cleaning mode and it performs an auto image sensor cleaning. Hit enter. And then you feel a little vibration there. Now what you do is you hold your camera up and use the rocket blower. That way, any particles, any dust, anything, they're falling out. You're not pushing them somewhere else in the camera. So you hold your camera up and you use your rocket blower. Now you keep blowing for a little bit and let it get the particles. Now, it's not going to get everything. It may not get everything. I don't know how yours is, but in mine, it did not get everything. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to put some of the solution that came with it. You want to put some of the loose solution on your swab. Now it tells you to put 2 drops, but I put 3 drops just to fill the tip of the swab. You know, I felt like I might as well. If 2 drops will work, 3 drops ain't gonna kill it. So I put 3 drops on there, and I just went from left to right, left to right, left to right. And I'm seeing it get clean. I'm seeing the dust particles go. My sensor is becoming clean. I'm going left to right, left to right. Now, when you do this, do not apply pressure. Do not be heavy-handed. Do not be heavy-handed while you're doing this. Just slightly touch it. Touch it, but slightly touch it. Go from left to right, left to right, left to right. With the end, with the side, you put the swab, the solution on. Go left to right. Now, after you've done that for a while, go use the other side of the swab, the dry side. Use that. Now go over it again. Go over it again. Now with the dry side. Now with the dry side, and don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared to clean your sensor, because you could either clean your sensor yourself or send it in and let them charge you an arm and a leg. This will work if you use a Nikon, Canon, Sony, but they may have a different way that you have to do it. But find out how to clean your sensor. But for Sony users, I'm gonna say, this is how you clean your Sony camera, because a lot of people are experiencing that dust spots on their pictures, and even though you can edit it out, you get tired of doing that. I got tired of doing that. As you can see, I got 4, 5, 6 dust spots that I saw. You know, and like I said before, it might be more, but there's 6 dust spots that I saw on these pictures, and I got tired of seeing them. So anyway, y'all, that's it for me today. I just showed y'all how to clean your camera sensor. Like I said before, don't be scared. Take your time. Follow the instructions. You will not damage your sensor. Don't be heavy-handed. Slightly touch it, but touch it. But anyway, clean your camera sensor. You got work to do as a photographer. You got work to do as a videographer. And you don't want them dust spots to hold you up. You don't want them dust spots to show up in pictures, and you definitely don't want them dust spots to show up in video. All right, I'm Tron Moses, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.